All right, this problem says for what value of x is the equation 2 raised to the 2x plus 7th power equal to 2 raised to the 15th power? So when you have exponential expressions, like here, 2 raised to the 2x plus 7, the 2 that is highlighted in green, that is called the base. So I'll put that here, that is the base. And the yellow part, that's the exponent. So you'll notice in both of these expressions, so on each side of the equal sign, the base is the same. The base is 2. So if the bases are equal, that means our exponents also have to be equal. So one way you can solve this problem is to say, since our bases are the same, in order for 2 raised to the 2x plus 7 to be equal to 2 raised to the 15th, the exponents have to be equal. So you can set them equal to each other and solve for x. So when you do that, you get 2x plus 7 is equal to 15. You'll subtract 7 from both sides, which gives you 2x equals 8, and then divide both sides by 2 to get that x equals 4. Now that is just one way to solve the problem. If you did not know that since the bases were equal, the exponents had to be equal, you could still solve this problem. You could take all of your choices here and substitute them in for x until you got a number that gave you 2 raised to the 15th. So here, if you put 4 in for x, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 7 is 15. So 4 is the answer.